Hello friends, it's nailsbyrey and welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a beautiful day, and if you're new here, welcome to your new favorite nail channel. Today I'm using BlueSky polishes to create my pink sweetheart press-on nails. So without further ado, sit back, relax, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow me on my socials if you haven't already, and let's get on with this video. Alright, so as you guys can see, I have my almond shaped full cover nail tips on, and I'm going to be starting off with a layer of base coat first and curing that under my nail lamp for 30 seconds. So these are the three colors from BlueSky that I'll be using to create today's design. I'll be using the pale pink color called Romanitque to create the base, and I'm going to be using 3 coats of this shade and curing that under my nail lamp for 60 seconds after each coat.
I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you go? Feel my baby, action. These days over my head, niggas be past 10. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up, but this life shit ain't all bad. Blood and murder, there ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. I'm stunning, so like you can do what you wanna.
So originally I wanted to use a blending brush to blend out the gel polish. I wanted to add this color to the center and then use the blending brush to create an ombre design, and it's worked for me before. I don't know, maybe I was having an off day, but it just didn't work, and I attempted this twice. I am going to show you how I do it because the way that I do it looked okay, but for the type of aura I wanted to achieve, I ended up deciding to go with a airbrush method. So in the next clip I will show you how I do with airbrush, which is the method that I ended up sticking with for all of the nail tips. So now I'm going to be trying the airbrush method to create my aura design, and I have my airbrush machine. I will be linking this in the description below, but I did get this from Amazon, and I use acetone, so I fill it up a little bit. You don't want to fill up the container with too much acetone because then it gets too watery, and you don't want to fill it up with too much gel polish because then it gets too thick. So it's a bit of a learning curve to figure out how much or how little of each product you put in. So I add a little bit of my acetone and I kind of just eyeball it to kind of see how much I need, and then I will add the gel polish color of my choice. And what I'll do is, instead of dipping the brush in the acetone, I'll use a old polygel brush to kind of get some of the product on, and then I'll swivel it inside to stir it and mix the pigment. And then once I feel like I'm satisfied enough, I'll wipe off the polygel brush, close the container, and then I'll start up my machine to spray and create the aura design.
I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kind of like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. Hey, Yeah, I got one lawyer, got one, and that is the only two, man. How many times have I told you the truth, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving them potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels or fuck up the deals. I'm posted in Stockholm, it's me, the Owls, and the twins, it's only the real. I'm moving way too humble, Weezy and handed it off, I still got no fumbles. I'm on a hot 100, numero uno, this one ain't come with a bundle. I'm in the win, $1 million in chocolate chips, and that's your time my cookie crumble. I put a skirt on the whip and a crown on the 6, but there's no need to dress on the numbers, hey, hey. Yeah, but I can see my petty reasons. They wanna know how I'm living my day-to-day life in the regular season. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. See what's about to happen. See what's about to happen.
So now that my aura is finished, I'm going to go do some line art, and I'm using the white shade in the name Cream Puff. And I'm just going to put some of this on my mixing plate just so that I have it all laid out here. And then I'm going to use a nail art brush to create the nail liner design. For this part, I just created random line work ideas for different nails. So each nail, I wanted them to look different, so I did different swivel patterns, just making sure that they did not all look the same and uniform.
Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool, right? Checking from my fan life is fantastic. I was broke as hell sleeping on the mattress. Living like a hell when nobody happy. Hot shells jumping out, they send me automatics. Ran it up by the condo, got a new edit. Now the VV's with a V-long jean jacket. They can see me even if you had 3D glasses. Red bitch in the bikini, she from Calabasas. Got a pocket full of blue cheese and some green relish. I'm a psycho for these hunters, got a cash fetish. I've been studying these hunters, I'm a mathematic. And this love make me wanna buy my dedicated. Since the love got me geeked up, I don't need a head. Drake gold, let these niggas know we've already. Sneaky clothes on my bitches, we ain't ball capping. Alien feel like I'm living on my own planet. On the spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of sticks like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich set. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. I did take a lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool, right? She know she was overseas, they were pan level. Shop in Tokyo, Japan, they the best up. Blue bear t-shirt, sleeve button up. Hot top, turn a vert, riding anywhere. Ain't got a band down, this ain't a propeller. Man, we spend a dime, copping Gucci sweaters. There's dripping niggas drowning, I cannot help it. Used to boom, now the guys, we are not the devil. Got Colombia the times out of Mexico. Spent the beds 100 times, still smell dope. Got some pimp, fill up, flying, feel like Velcro. My bitch fine and love shopping on Rodeo. I be if you don't want copy, it's a day, yo. Ain't stingy, my bro gonna get a payroll. I just want the pretty women in the peso. I can only hit the engine in this Lambo. On the spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of sticks like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich set. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. I did take a lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool, right? On the spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of sticks like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich set. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. I did take a lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool, right? New cool, I'm a space cadet. Yeah. Metro bought 2 potatoes. Boom. Weezy dripping, got these nigga wet. He on the Romanitque way.
So originally I was going to leave them just like this, but then I said these would be so cute with some little charms, and I got carried away. So now I'm using some rhinestone glue to prepare each of these nails. I am putting charms on every single nail, and they're just going to be really fun, cute pink charms.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just joshing. We spend this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo. Told Pooh, he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the Ville, and I'm Vincenzo's. Me and my amigos got that free smoke on the West Coast. Yeah, I'm talking about pre-rolls. Dark hair bitch, she look like she go. She do. Hometown hero, feeling myself, can't murder my ego. She heard of my deep stroke. She said, babe, does it hurt when I deep throat? Certified freak hoe, hang around dust, and she learning my lingo. Back then, wasn't worried about me though. In the gym, trying to work on my break though. Goddamn. Spending money at the club like Sam's. Yes, ma'am. She a little freak on cam. She don't put this on the ground. Little boys trying to diss on the ground. Hey, I can't switch on the fan. Shit's hot, hit the switch on the fan. This what my head is. I feel resentment from every direction. Even some homies be wearing expressions. I be discouraged from sharing my blessings.
And last but not least, of course, we have to go over the nail set with some top coat. So I'm going to be using the BlueSky top coat, going over the nails and trying to paint around the charms that I put down, and I'm going to cure that under my nail lamp for 60 seconds.
Some people call it a scary obsession. I like to call it a passion. I can be sitting relaxing. PG, we getting some traction. I'm at the venue, it's packed. I'm digging her accent. I got a BB Simon belt on me and she tryna get it, I'm flashing. That's my type of distraction. That's my type of she Latin. Got my own flow and I'm about to get a patent. Brand new sheets for the bed they satin. Y'all wasn't tuned in back then. My swag they keep jacking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just joshing. We spend this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10.
Alright you guys, so that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. Thank you to BlueSky for sending these products over. I hope you guys loved how these cutesy pink strawberry aura nails look. At first I wanted to call them strawberry milk, but then I was like, they're not really too much strawberry milk vibes. But I hope you guys love these. And if you do, be sure to hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so you never miss any uploads from my channel. And I will see you in the next video.